All right, today I'd like to talk to you about inverse operations. An inverse operation is quite simply an operation that undoes another operation. Okay? Think of simple operations you might do every day. It's like turning on a light. What undoes turning on that light? Turning off the light. They're inverse operations. They undo each other. Think about when you close a door. What undoes closing a door? Opening that door. Okay, so inverse operations are operations that undo one another. Let's see how that applies to math. Okay, examples of inverse operations. First of all, addition undoes subtraction. So if we have a number, 11, and we subtract 6, we get a difference of 5. But if we take that difference of 5 and add the 6 back, it gives us 11, back where we started. So the addition undid what the subtraction had done. Subtraction also undoes addition. Look at this example. If we start with 7 and we add 3 to it, we get a sum of 10. If we take that sum of 10 and subtract 3, we're back where we started at our 7. So subtracting 3 undid our adding 3. Multiplication undoes division. If we start out with 18 divided by 2, our quotient is 9. But if we take that quotient of 9 and multiply it by 2, we're back where we started at 18. So multiplication undoes division. One last one. Division undoes multiplication. Say we start with 3 and we multiply by 7, we get a product of 21. But if we take that product of 21 and divide it by 7, we're right back where we started at 3. Therefore, the division undid the multiplication. So with that in mind, if the operation is add 5, what would the inverse operation be? What would the operation be that undoes that? Well, it would be subtracting 5. What if we multiply by 7? What would our inverse operation be? What will undo multiplying by 7? Yeah, you're right. Divide by 7. The next one, what if we divide by 2? How can we undo dividing by 2? What's our inverse operation for divide by 2? Yeah, exactly. It's multiply by 2. Last but not least, let's look at subtraction. We're subtracting 14. What's the inverse operation? What will undo our subtracting 14? You got it. Adding 14. Okay? I think you've got a good understanding of what inverse operations are, and we're going to put those to use in solving equations.